welcome back to the channel. As you've seen, may have seen already, I've got another vehicle to use on the channel here. I'm going to do some projects with it. It needs a headlight restorer. But one of the first things that I'm going to do is this car. It's a 2006 Mercedes-Benz SLK55 AMG. Really neat little car. Fantastic. Great driving car. Great performing car. And it's just all around a fun car to drive. When I picked up the car, it has a vinyl wrap on the hood, the roof, and the deck lid. And I've tried many different things to try to get this vinyl to kind of come back to life. It was pretty well sun-baked and beat and everything else. And so basically I've made the decision that I'm going to go ahead and remove the wrap. I have an expectation that there's going to be some yellowing and whatnot on the clear coat underneath, and so I'm going to have to restore that. But I want to see what it looks like underneath. I don't think there's any paint damage or anything like that other than the yellowing. And the reason I think that it's yellowing, I could be wrong, is that this black vinyl draws so much heat that it just kind of bakes the clear coat underneath. And so we'll see what happens, see how it looks when I get the wrap off, and kind of go from there. So should be a fun little project. I know that removing these wraps can be a real joy. Let's say a joy. Time consuming, frustrating, and a little bit difficult. So I do have the heat gun and everything else that I can do, but for the most part what I'm going to do on this project is not do a lot of talking. I'm going to try to probably do fast motion video to get through it, and just kind of show you the finished product from there. And so with that said, let's go ahead and get to work. I know you can't see me in here, but first thing we need to do in order to remove this wrap is to get the hood vents out of the way. And so they take a let's see what size it is. I think it's about a Torx 20 to remove the Torx head screws. And so let's go ahead and get those pulled out. Alright, so there we have it. That's pretty much it for the removing the wrap from the hood. More than 4 hours so far, and I still have the adhesive to remove, and I'm going to do a little bit of research on what I want to use to remove that adhesive, because I need to make sure that I'm safe for the paint, because the paint is actually fantastic underneath this wrap. So fortunately that's a bonus. So with that, I thank you for watching. If you have not already done so, please make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate it very much. Helps my channel grow, and I need all the help I can get. So for those of you that are thinking about putting a wrap on your vehicle, if you think that you're the person that's going to have to remove it later on, maybe not get quite so excited about putting the wrap on there. I mean, the wraps, they are cool. You can change the look of your vehicle really easy, but if you're going to remove it yourself, yeah, think about it, because it's not a real easy process. The deck lid is done, the hood is done. I still have the roof and the eyebrow over the windshield to remove. Fortunately, those are smaller panels, and so I don't think they'll take quite as long. I sure hope not. But they're also pretty heavily baked from the sun, so they're not going to be a joy no matter what. But I'm hoping that they'll go a little bit quicker and be a little bit easier to clean up. So anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. Appreciate your subscriptions. Thanks for riding along with me at Yellow Jacket Garage, and we'll see you on down the road.